Hello everyone, Justin from Huppin'S here. Welcome to another unboxing video. Let's get started. Alright, let's open up the coffee maker and see what's in the box. The lid on the coffee makers easily lift to fill the 10-cup capacity internal water container. You can ensure you have the right amount of water using the side fill window. The coffee maker also includes a permanent, reusable stainless steel filter. The Smeg 50 style coffee maker features a built-in digital clock that you can use to automatically start brewing at a set time. Getting late in the day but still need a pick-me-up? Choose the 1 to 4 cups function for just the right amount of coffee. After the brewing cycle is complete, keep warm mode will keep your coffee at just the right temperature for 40 minutes. The 50 style coffee maker includes a 10-cup glass carafe with chrome accents and gray plastic lid. Please like and subscribe to stay apprised of more products and hit the bell to be informed when our latest videos are uploaded. Follow us on social media, and if you'd like to see other products unboxed or have a question about the Smeg small appliances, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.